Yvette, congratulations on a great seminar yesterday at IMEX 2010. You touched on a number of things that I'd like to take you up on. First, why is tracking equipment so important?
There are a number of reasons why making sure that you have full control of your equipment is very important. One of the most obvious is cost savings and cost efficiencies. You can save money through not only removing the loss factor from your business. You have some cases where you have a 20 to 30% attrition rate for things like roll cages within the industry. There's also cost efficiencies, so reducing your hire balances to make sure that you're running your pool at the most optimum level. We looked at a couple of slides yesterday where we could see that control was key to reducing that cost.
Okay, so what would you say are the key benefits of a software solution?
A software solution means that you have full automation wherever possible, you can be as flexible as can be, so that there's not all of this human intervention, which is meaning that you've got the human element in there, which is where errors come from. You can have invoice reconciliation done automatically within minutes, where a lot of major manufacturers have got invoices in excess of 1,000 lines. To check every transaction manually can be a very time-consuming and complex process.
So in terms of the industry today, what are the asset tracking requirements?
Well, the industry is quite a changing place. Historically, you had one major pallet provider and they serviced pretty much everyone. Everything's changing now. The retailers want things they can get into store as quickly as possible. They don't want to have to de-stack from one pallet to a shelf, and that means there's a lot more pallets available out there, and also merchandisable units. So one of the major problems we encounter is what we refer to as colour blindness, where systems may be able to see a generic pallet or a case, but not necessarily what type that is. And so for a company like most of the major manufacturers, where you have 8 to 10 different equipment types on site, where you need to put that in all different places, all different web portals, we have the one solution that covers all of those.
Great. So imagine I own my own equipment pool. How can a tracking system really help me?
So that's the flip side of the equation. We have two software solutions. There's one that I've already talked about, which is for companies that hire equipment from other companies, and there's for the likes of yourself, where you own your own equipment pool. We have a software solution for end-to-end control. It will do everything from collections, orders, forecasting, right through to raising the charges and making sure those invoices go out to the customers and linking back in with your own financial systems.
Yvette, thank you very much for your time.
Not a problem, thank you.